Hello friends, that's BMW 389 e46 year 2004, and I was just going to replace this water coolant flange. uh, Already put the new one here, but when I was checking over the YouTube for videos how to replace for this, there was from other models out there, but there was anything related to this e46 318i. So that's really easy to replace. I just have took out the old one here. It's actually got broken, and it was leaking here when I bought this car. So someone just glued it here because it wasn't working for me, so I have to replace it. And it's quite easy. First you start from this thing here, which got 3 screws, one here and 2 other side here. So just remove them up. You can put it aside, and then you have enough space to take these screws on these flange here, which holding it up there. So take those 2 screws. Screw is here. Take this off. You take this pin off, like you have to just slide it up. Same on this side. Once you slide this pin up, you can remove this easily, and then you can put the new one back in and just put it back. Quite easy. And I hope this video will help in your installation, or if you have a issue like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks.